What is up, guys? We are Midwest Moneymakers. My name is Luke.
And I'm Kiana.
And today we are going to be showing you how to do your first listing on eBay. We hope you enjoy it. Please let us know what you think of the video. Tell us down below, give us a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. But the other thing we wanted to tell you is we're going to be giving away a cash giveaway, $50 for celebrating what, Kiana?
100 subs!
We just passed 100 subs as of today. We are at 109. And so in order to enter into this giveaway, you need to do 3 things. Number 1, subscribe to our channel. Number 2, like this video. And number 3, I put in a cheeky little question for you in the video, and you need to leave an answer to that question in the comments down below. And our next video, we will pick a winner. So, you got 72 hours or so, maybe longer. Get in the giveaway.
On how fast you
And good luck. We hope you guys enjoy the video. Have a great day. Deuces.
Sound effects. Oh, it's going. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be listing our very first item. Right, babe?
Yeah.
I'm very excited.
Okay, do you know what you want to pick? We're gonna start kind of maybe with a lower medium price. And I think, yeah, those would be good. Chacos.
I think like 50, maybe?
What size are those? Do we know? Usually, if you're selling Chacos,
There's a tag.
they'll be on the tag. So this says it's made in Colorado, USA. And yeah, usually they're on
Yeah,
like a
because
tag.
it was $12 and it's a size 12.
Oh, no, men's 13.
Oh.
Sometimes they're on the back of the heel.
I think they're actually always on the back of the heel. I should have known
I
that.
don't think you can tell, but yeah, M13. I'll take a photo of it and put it up there. So yeah, we'll post these. So you want to take those, and we're gonna move to the desk. I just wanted to briefly talk to you guys about some things. This is kind of a weird angle, but some things that you want to keep in mind when you start to list your items. I really recommend you get a plain background. So a white table is great. In the past, I've also just thrown a white sheet over a table. That works well. You can get a white trifold. I've even used just a gray sheet for the last year. That's what I've been using. But as long as it's plain and it makes your item pop and it's non-distracting, those are really good things. Would you add anything to that?
I think even like a wood floor.
A wood floor, yeah. I'll get footage of just our floor. Wood paneling can look really great too, to make things pop. So anyways, I'm gonna have Kiana, she's gonna start screen recording and just show you how she's gonna go about listing these items.
Alright, let me stop this. Okay. So, we got logged on to our eBay store, a new eBay store on my phone. And this is what came up when you come to selling down here in the right-hand corner. And I'm just gonna go ahead and click list an item. When you look up your item, just kind of put in a couple words. I never do my full title at first. I just kind of get some minor details of stuff because we're hoping that the image will come up.
Yeah, you're just trying to describe the item. So one of the things Kiana might do, we're gonna get the size there. It's a men's 13. This is a Chaco brand sandal. She might put in brown.
Yeah.
So we'll search that and see what comes up.
And I think these are the exact same ones.
So there
Right
you
here
go.
at the top. And they're pre-owned. So we already got our title there, which is great. Don't have to edit that at all. And then here, I'm gonna just take a couple photos, try and get, I'd say I average 6 photos per listing. The more details you can get on the item, the better.
Yeah, and I think at the bare minimum, you should try and get 3 photos. The more you can, I think the better your listing will be. And not only that, but the greater detail your customer will get of the item, which will just make them more comfortable with buying.
And you less apt to have a return.
Yes. Yeah, and along with that, you want to show, even if there's any, what's the word I'm looking for? Like damage or, just defaults with the item, you really want to display those so that when the customer receives it, they're not going, what the heck, this wasn't in the photos.
Yeah.
Always try and be very, very, almost brutally honest with your photos.
Yeah. So something I did here is you'll see I think this normally says vibrant or something, and that got ruined. So I just highlighted that. I don't know why someone would care about that, but you never know. So I took a picture on each foot of that. Okay. And we'll go into item specifics. I usually just make sure all the ones that are required are there. Sometimes I'll put a couple recommended ones, but normally I just kind of overlook these. Do you do these?
I just try and get the ones that I know and are fairly easy.
So in here it says country or region manufactured in, and we know these were in Colorado in the US, so that's, I think, rare. I don't really know where Choco.
Yeah, I don't know where they're made.
I'll just put in Colorado. No, that didn't go through. I'll do USA. Okay. Categories, those look good. We got shoes, men's shoes. And then description. Do you ever add any?
I usually don't add much to your description. You can. I think the main thing that I would be doing if I were adding to my description would be just talking about and letting the customer know any of those damages. Sometimes I also use that space as labeling and identifying where I'm actually storing my item, but a lot of the times I put that in the title. You can also make a custom SKU, which we will talk about in another video. But other than that, what else do we have left, babe?
Pricing.
Pricing, the important part, honestly, for us.
So I would say probably 98% of my items I list buy it now.
Or buy it now. What's the difference between auction and buy it now?
Auction, it usually runs, I think you can edit it, but it normally runs about 7 days. You want to start at a low price because that gets people's attention. And then you don't really, you know that you'll get more. You'll either get what your starting bid was or more than that if people bid on it.
Right.
But the thing is, you want to start low. So it is a risk to do auction.
Yep.
And this isn't a hot enough item that we would want to do auction.
Yep. Agreed. So we're going to do it buy it now. We're going to put in a fixed price, and Kiana's going to compare it to what things are selling, so I can't read those. What's it look like?
So we got 30, 35, 32, 36. This is 30 with free shipping. That's not very good.
So guys, keep in mind, regardless of whether or not you're doing free shipping or shipping, you are ultimately still paying for that. It just depends on where it's coming from. If the buyer pays for the shipping, you're gonna get that shipping price along with the price of the item that you're getting. Whereas the free shipping, you're gonna be paying that out of whatever the item cost is. So for instance, right now, Kiana's gonna go ahead and turn it on. We have just like a kitchen scale. This works great. We like this one partly because you can hold this and you can lock it. You can zero it out, and for the most part, it works for the small items that we have. So she's gonna put it on there. Looks like it's just about 2.5 pounds. And because we're gonna probably ship this priority mail, you just want to round it to the next pound. So if it's over 2 pounds, it's gonna go for a 3-pound rate, because you have to think about the box, and because it's over 2 pounds, USPS sees that as 3 pounds.
Yep.
So.
So I put in 3 pounds, and I'm gonna have the buyer pay the shipping on this. I ended up putting the price at $25, but I'll take offers down to $18.
Under the stars, everyone feels small.
And then
This is a really important, what she just did. She's selecting to require immediate payment, because oftentimes a buyer will purchase the item and then not pay, which means you're just waiting, and that's no fun.
Something to keep in mind though is sometimes you will still be stuck waiting if they send an offer and you accept the offer. So.
But that's basically it. Sometimes at this point, like what Kiana's doing right now, I'm gonna run through, look in, double check all my things. Everything looks good, and then we're just gonna go ahead and hit list item, and that'll be our first listing.
Go check it out, guys! Yay!
There you go, success. So now you'll see this page, boom, 1 listing, 0 90-day payouts, or 90-day total.
$0. We've used one of our listings from our basic store.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sweet! Alright, there you go. You happy?
Yes.
I'm happy.
I want to post more.